Hello everyone! Today's episode is how to make cashew nut polvoron. For our ingredients, we have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups powdered milk, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 cup butter, and 3/4 cup cashew nuts, roasted and finely ground, and 3 tablespoon oil. First, we need to toast the flour in a skillet over medium heat. Stirring it regularly until lightly brown or for at least 10 to 12 minutes. When it's lightly brown, let's turn the heat down to low fire and add in our powdered milk and sugar. Continuously stirring it to combine the mixture thoroughly. Then let's add in all the remaining ingredients like our cashew nuts, butter, and oil, and stir it continuously until well combined. Do you know that polvoron is a very popular Filipino dessert or snacks made of lightly toasted flour, milk, sugar, butter, and a variety of flavor like cashew nuts or peanuts, cookies and cream, ube or purple yam, and rice crisp. Polvoron is sweet, buttery, and crumbly, and the most popular one is the one made by Goldilocks. But you can save some amount of money if you do it yourself. Once everything is well combined, we can now turn off our heat and sieve our mixture. This is to make our mixture free of lumps. Polvoron is not only good as a dessert or snacks, but also a great gift for adults and children alike. Today, we use roasted and finely ground cashew nuts as our flavor, but you can also do polvoron using different flavor like almond nuts, peanuts, cookies and cream, toffee, purple yam, and rice crisp. After sifting our polvoron mixture, we can now shape it using our polvoron molds. Try to shape it while your mixture is still a little bit hot so you can easily shape it as compact or compressed as possible. It is easy to make polvoron, so you can also do it not only for your family's consumption but also for business. Because it is easy and fun to do, you can also teach your kids how to do it. It could be a great bonding activity for you and your kids. You can place your molded polvoron in any container in a single layer arrangement. After molding all our polvoron mixture, we can then place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes or until it's firm enough to wrap. You can individually wrap your polvoron using a colored cellophane wrapping paper or a Japanese wrapping paper that is available in your area. Unfortunately, I could not find those wrapping paper or cellophane where I live, so I just put my polvoron in a container and kept it in the fridge. See? It's really fun to mold polvoron, so your children or kids would really love this activity. By the way, I got my polvoron mold back home, but you can check your nearest Asian shop or store. Sometimes they sell it. And I use Nido powdered milk, which I bought from Tesco. You can check the description box for the complete list of our ingredients, and if you have some questions, you can comment down below. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please consider subscribing And if you like my video, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button. We are almost done. All done, we were able to make 41 pieces of polvoron out of this mixture. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell. Thank you for watching.